Hello guys, it's Zero Studios. Today we're gonna go over on how to create your own Minecraft server for the scripts that we are about to upload in later videos. Let's get into it. So first, you're gonna want to create a new folder and then name your folder something like server or anything you want. This doesn't really matter. In the folder, create a new text document and name it run. This is going to be a batch file later, but right now it's just gonna be txt. I'll format it later so that it becomes a batch file. So after we've done creating that text document, we're going to install a bucket Minecraft server jar. So let's get a 1.21.5 and you just click on the download and then it will download a jar file. This usually doesn't take long. It should be done about 5 seconds. After you're done, we're going to drag this out into your desktop and then just drag it inside your server folder. Right now, the name of this jar is spigot-1.21.5.jar. Right now, we are going to rename this to server.jar. And now comes the fun part. We are going to go into the run.txt. I edit this in Visual Studio Code. It doesn't really matter what you edit in, but I prefer Visual Studio Code. Into here, you're going to paste this that I will paste down in the description. This is basically just assigning RAM, and then the nogui is that it just comes up in your command prompt and it doesn't come up in a Minecraft thing. I'm going to delete this for now so I can showcase to you how it will look, but I will keep this nogui in here. You can keep it in. Now this part is the fun part. It defines how much RAM you assign to your server. I'm gonna leave this on 8 GB, but if you want lower, you can go 4 GB or even 1024 megabytes like this if you want to. I'm gonna keep it on 8 GB. So before you save it, you're gonna go File and then Save As. This is important, you save it as. And right here in the type, you're gonna select no extension and then run.bat. This bat stands for batch. And now you save it into your server folder and it should look like this. You can go ahead and delete the txt file and now you just run this file that you just created. This should show a lot of text that are not important for us. What's important is this loading libraries. This will basically load up the server files. But Minecraft needs its EULA confirmed. EULA is this text file that you need to confirm. You're gonna click into EULA, set this false to true, then save it, and then run your batch file again. This is gonna run all of your other essential files like this, and after it's done, you should get something like this. This is this white, dumb-looking interface that I don't like. This is what the nogui stops and you just see this command prompt instead. It should say done and you should be able to join up. Let's try. So after you're in Minecraft, you're gonna go multiplayer and then direct connection. This is gonna be your IP, localhost. This localhost basically means that it connects to your local hosting Minecraft server. You're gonna go join server and then you are inside your server. To op yourself, you're gonna get your console and then type op and then your name. Like this. You can already see nothing changed, display is already an operator. But this is basically how you write it in. Now, since you are an op, you can do everything you want, but this is not gonna be the fun part. The real fun part comes when you start getting into coding. We're gonna do this in Visual Studio, but that is for another video. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you guys on the tutorials. Bye!